Well, good evening everyone. Welcome back to Ricky Baby Travel Vlog and Culinary. Tonight I'm cooking lechon kawali or pork belly, roasted pork belly. That's my ingredients. Ito po yung ingredient ko, garlic and onions and bay leaves right there. And of course my water right here. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay guys, let's check our pork belly. See, it's tender. Okay, let's turn off our gas range. Okay, itap lang natin. Let's tap this pork belly to remove the excess water. There. Okay. Okay. Out. Now let's marinate it. I-marinate na natin ang ating baboy. Ganyan. Okay. So let's cook this para ma-absorb pa nito ang ating sauce. Okay. Okay, let's transfer the sauce over here. Para mapaliguan natin ang baboy. Okay. We'll marinate this for another hour bago ko lutuin. So let's marinate this for another hour, mostly overnight. But I can't wait. Hindi ako magpagintay. So let's marinate for an hour and then let's cook in the deep fryer. Okay. So, guess more effective is I have to put this in a Ziploc. Okay, let's check our belly. Pork belly. Okay, so that's 20 minutes past. So, magdagdag pa tayo ng another 20 minutes. Okay, so another 25 minutes. Okay. So let's put it back. Air fry. 360 for 25 minutes. And get started. Okay. 25 minutes more to go. Woohoo! Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's slice it. Okay. Okay, let's slice how crunchy. Pork belly, liempo. Yeah. See? Really good. Woo. You hear that? Really crunchy. See? Yeah, it's so crunchy.